Y'all, you asked for it. We got another awesome Ninja Speedi recipe for you. This one is the easiest of them all. We're just making a nice pasta, a little bit of Italian sausage in it, a little creamy ricotta in there. It's gonna be awesome. Guys, I'll put the list of ingredients down below in the video description so you can check it out, follow along if you want, but way too easy, okay? First thing we gotta do is get that sausage cooked up, and then we'll work into the Speedi meal portion of it, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the Speedi station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get going. Y'all, time to get that Speedi on. We're gonna use the sear saute mode first. When we turn it on, we're gonna use the little arrows here to go down the sear saute. High is fine. We're just gonna get it through. Hit start. We have the little lever here to air fry, which opens these up, okay? Once it gets heated up, we'll throw the sausage in, start browning it off, and then build our pasta dish. All right, guys, let's go in with a little bit of olive oil. Just about a teaspoon or so. Let's get our sausage in, our blocco sausage, get our mixing and chopping. And y'all, we're gonna leave some pretty healthy chunks in there. We wanna be able to have real bites of sausage in there while we're going. Good little chunks. All right, sausage is all browned up. Now let's go ahead and get the pasta in, start building this. I'm searing, sauteing, so let's go ahead and shut this off. It's still kind of hot in there, but it's done doing its thing. We're gonna use a little penne. So we're gonna go with about half the box or 8 ounces. And we're just gonna pour it over the meat. A couple more. And mix that around. Some truff pasta sauce. Any pasta sauce you'd like will do. Get that in there. And this is a 17-ounce jar. Next up, go in with 2 cups of water. Give that all a good mix. Try not to make a mess. We got some Italian seasoning going in. About a tablespoon or so. And optionally, add some crushed red pepper flakes in there. About a teaspoon. One last little mix. Try to get all that pasta beneath the liquid there. You want to make sure it's all absorbing and not actually like cooking the pasta with the air fry or the, the Speedi meal mode. And about halfway through the cook, we'll go through and mix it up. We're gonna shut the lid down, turn this up to the rapid cook setting. We want it on the Speedi meal. Timing should be 15 minutes. Then we'll go back to the temp and we'll lower it to 350. Hit start. So what's gonna happen is that steam is gonna start building in there. You're gonna see it come out of the vent. Don't worry, it's not smoke. You're not burning down the house, okay? But that's what's gonna help it cook. So you'll see those little dots going across. That's where the steam's building up, all that, you know, that goodness, right? And it's gonna start cooking everything all together. 15 minutes should be plenty of time to get all those pieces of pasta cooked. We'll check on it about halfway through, give it a mix, see where we're at. That's it. When we get to the end, that's where we're gonna add the creamy goodness. That is that ricotta, little parmesan. It's gonna be amazing. If you're with me so far, stick around the end. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Hit that thumbs up too. And subscribe. What the hell are you waiting for? All right, y'all, we're halfway through. I'm gonna give it a mix, but it's looking amazing. So good. 15 minutes is up. Pasta's looking money in the bank. Now, here's what we're gonna do to get this nice and creamy and delicious and full of cholesterol. We're gonna go in with a half a stick of butter. Got a whole handful of Parmesan, maybe 2. And we're gonna go in with about a cup of ricotta, give or take. All right, get it all nice and mixed together. Everything's gonna melt and combine. It's still hot in there. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna add the rest of the ricotta. So 15 ounces of ricotta. That right there is looking creamy, luscious, delicious. Can't wait to take a bite. Let's get this dished out. Got a nice little bowl here. a bowl plate type thingy. A couple helping ladlefuls in there. A little extra parm on top. A little bit of chopped parsley. There's the dish, y'all. Let's give it a try. Plate full of heaven right there. Guys, creamy, spicy. Can't go wrong. Let's take a bite. Here's y'all. I mean, what's not to love? Guys, this is too dang good. Got that spicy marinara sauce, okay? It is a spicy marinara sauce, but tone it down with that ricotta, the butter, the parmesan, that Italian sausage, nice and chunky throughout it. Pasta's perfectly al dente. Guys, like I said, I'll have the ingredients and prep down below, but really, really simple, beautiful dish for weeknight. Just pull this out, 20 minutes, you're solid, all right? Easy as can be. And if y'all want to get yourself one of these Ninja Speedies, of course I'll have a link down below. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything more to use it, and it helps your boy out. All right. If you want to get anything else I use in my videos, from knives to cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff, links are all down below too. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that love a nice spicy pasta, as long as you put plenty of butter and cheese in it, and they know it's gonna be money in the bank, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Cheers.